Hello everybody and welcome back. We're looking in this video at question number 15 on our grade 8 Gauss paper from the year 2010. If four different numbers are chosen from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to replace the boxes below, what is the smallest possible sum of the two-digit numbers? Okay. Well, we're adding the numbers up. It's not like we're taking a difference or anything, so we don't have to be particularly fancy. We just have to slightly reason our way through this. If I want the smallest sum, I should probably be adding the smallest numbers. So what are the smallest numbers I can make? I need to take two of these numbers from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and make a small number, and I need to take two more and make another small number. Okay? Now, what makes two-digit numbers small when we compare them? Well, when we compare them, we're always looking at the tens digit first. You always read the numbers left to right. And a bigger number on the left trumps any sort of big numbers on the right in a different number. So we really want to focus, if we want these numbers to be as small as possible, we want to focus on the tens digits, and they should be the smallest numbers that we have. Okay? And then for the ones digits, well, we can put the next smallest numbers. Okay? But notice that the order here matters. If I choose 5 and then 7 and 6 and 8, that's very different from something like 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? It's a huge difference in these sums, almost a difference of 10. Or something like if I had done, 7, 5, 8, 6. Okay? Bigger tens digits, bigger sum overall. So the smallest numbers should go first, 5 and 6, then the next smallest numbers should go after, and there doesn't really need to be an order. 58 and 67 would be just as small as 57 and 68. You don't really have to worry about that. Okay, so what is this sum? Well, 5, carry a 1, we'll get 125. So let's look at 125 among the answers. If we can find it, great. If it's one of the smallest ones presented, that makes me feel even better. So we've got 125 here. The only thing even potentially smaller would be 123. And I'm willing to bet that that's sort of one of those ones where somebody who didn't read the instructions completely is going to get that answer. It's also sort of there because we're later in the contest and we don't want people just randomly guessing. And when somebody says smallest and you just guess the smallest number presented, well, you haven't really shown that you know how to do the math. Just like if somebody said largest, and you just arbitrarily pick 161. I mean, sometimes the biggest thing presented is the answer, but not always. Okay, so I'm going to say the answer here is B. Okay, and that finishes up question 13. Or sorry, not question 13. Question 15 quite nicely. Feel free to join me in the next video for question number 16. You can also feel free to leave a comment if you did the question a different way, if you had different reasoning. Or just to say hey. Feel free to subscribe or just throw a like on the video if that's what you'd like to do. But no matter what, I'll see you in the next video for more math.